was having a conversation the other day with someone about a stock that he had purchased that he was really excited about. And when we got to talking about it, I asked him what price he bought it at, and he didn't even know. So one thing that I shared with him and that I want to share with you is that I have a journal of all of the trades I make. I write down the date I purchased them, how many shares, the price I purchased them at, and I also create an exit strategy in this journal. So I would like to encourage you guys to do the same thing so that when you are watching your stocks on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, you know what you're making or where the stock's going instead of playing a guessing game and just holding on with your eyes shut until you just look in your brokerage account one day. So track your stocks, track your exit strategy, your price points, and dates.